In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create email marketing campaigns with GoHighLevel. We'll walk through the entire process from the moment you log in, all the way to reviewing and sending your campaign, so you can follow along on your own screen as we go. Once you're logged into your GoHighLevel account, start by heading to your main launchpad. This is your central hub, where you'll see the different areas of the platform. From here, look for the marketing section and click on it. This is where all your communication tools live, including your email campaigns. Inside marketing, click on emails. This takes you to the area dedicated specifically to email activities. Next, you'll want to go into the campaigns tab. This is where you can see existing campaigns and also create new ones. To start a new one, click on create campaign. GoHighLevel will now prompt you to choose how you want to build the email. Select the blank option, which lets you start from scratch. After that, you'll see 3 editor choices: Design Editor, Code Editor, and Plain Text Editor. For most users, the Design Editor is the easiest, as it's drag and drop. Click, select on the option that best fits your skill level and needs. Once the editor opens, you'll notice a panel on the left-hand side. This panel contains all your elements, such as text blocks, images, buttons, and dividers. You can drag and drop any of these onto your email canvas in the center. For example, click on a text element, drag it onto your email, and drop it where you want it to appear. As soon as you place it, you'll see customization options on the right, including background color, padding, fonts, and alignment. Take a moment to adjust these so the email matches your branding and is easy to read. Then repeat the process with other elements, like images or buttons, dragging them into place and customizing them as needed. At the top, you'll see an internal campaign name, often starting as something like Untitled. Click the pen icon next to that and give your campaign a clear internal name so you can easily find it later. When you're happy with the layout and content, click on Preview. This lets you see what the email will look like for your recipients before you move forward. Once everything looks good, click on Send or Schedule. Here, you'll fill in the important sending details. Click into the sender name field and add the name you want people to see as the sender. Then, click into the sender email field and enter the email address you want the campaign to come from. Next, add your subject line, making it clear and compelling, and then add your preview text, which is the short snippet that appears next to the subject in many inboxes. When all of that is complete, click on Review and Send. This is where you'll choose the contacts or lists you want to send to and confirm all the final details. After reviewing everything one last time, you're ready to send or schedule your email marketing campaign with GoHighLevel.